want to learn how to walk? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Carson French, and over the past 10 years, I've taught over 5 million people how to master the art of walking. Now I'm going to be giving you the proper instructions that will have you out there walking in no time. Alright, the first thing that you need to walk is a pair of fresh shoes. Amazon.com has all the best options, and that's where I recommend you buy your shoes. Click on which pairs of shoes you want, and you can add them to your cart. When you proceed to checkout, you can use the code Carson Tutorials to receive 10% off on your order of new shoes. You can go ahead and click the link in the description to purchase your own shoes. Okay, once you get your new shoes, you might notice that they feel a little weird on your feet. Now, this is because you probably haven't bought socks yet. So I need you to go back to Amazon.com and purchase some new socks, so you can have your best walking experience ever. And the discount Carson Tutorials also works on that. I've provided a link in a description to get some socks off of Amazon.com. Now that you have your gear, you're almost ready to start walking. Walking can be physically demanding, and if you're not in great shape, you will not get the best experience. I recommend going to Planet Fitness. You only need to pay $10 per month plus taxes and fees. Plus, if you want the ultimate exercise experience, I recommend the Planet Fitness Black Card. It's only $22.99 per month. Plus, if you're one of my subscribers, you can get $10 off of your first payment using promo code Carson Tutorials. Once you get your membership, pause this video and head over to my other tutorial video on how to exercise your legs so you can be in great shape for walking. I'll leave a link down in the description. Great, now you're ready to start walking. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the basic technique of the physical part of walking. So this seems like a good place to practice. You want to find somewhere with flat ground, as so. So what we're gonna do is, okay, you want to keep your feet flat on the ground or else you might fall. Okay, the first thing that you need to do to walk is you have to take a step. Now this is the act of moving one foot forward so you can then move your whole body forward. So what I'm going to do now is attempt to make a step. So I'm going to move my left foot forward. It doesn't matter which foot you do first, but I'm just going to go with my left. So I want to shift the weight onto my right knee, and then I can slowly move this foot forward, and then I can rebalance myself. And there you go. That's how you walk. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial video. Please remember to like, subscribe, click the notification button if you want to be notified of my videos. Also subscribe to my Patreon, where I have exclusive tutorials on there since YouTube hasn't been giving me enough money.